Hey guys, I'm Joelle Mickelson and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you're here, welcome. Thanks for being here. And a little bit about me, I'm a personal organizer. So I live for decluttering, organizing, and design and decor. I help with staging, I do renos, and some interior design. So right now I'm going to put my living room back together after our ceiling was done, and I'm going to walk you through how I kind of go about it. So of course, first and foremost, I'm going to clean. I'm going to wash the floors. I'm going to wipe down the baseboards. I'm going to clean the windowsill, the whole 9 yards. That window there that you see in the front, it's original. We're going to change that out and we're going to do something a little bit more differently, a little more differently, a little differently, it's going to be different than what it is now. But even the staircase, like this, the railing there, you can see it's 1982. We just had it painted, which worked for what we needed at the time. We changed the fixtures, updated that, obviously new paint, new flooring, the whole 9 yards. I just brought the carpet in. I'm gonna give it a good vacuum. When I clean, I love to clean vertically, horizontally, and then diagonally. And I'm lining up the couches now. And I'm trying to make sure that that couch is gonna be centered with the carpet, and then underneath you see that center line on the print, as well as the ceiling fan. So I'm trying to keep it as square and centered as possible. And for some god-awful reason, I put the plant right there in front of the camera, but I'm gonna keep filming anyways. So I'm bringing in some of my decor, and I love different textures. I love different types of patterns and fabric material. I love the wicker baskets. Those can be used for anything and everything, from magazines to towels to plants, laundry, you name it. I love them, and I use them and change them up all the time. In my house, I also have real and fake plants. Depends what I need at the time. I usually bring all my fake plants out and line them around my deck in the summer because I absolutely love greenery all year long. The curtains that I have that I'm putting in this particular space are really, really heavy fabric. I get them from Urban Barn, and they're my favorite drapes that I found anywhere in the city. The chairs that you just saw me drape them over, and I promise you're going to get a better picture of this after. But those chairs, I got them on sale, and I always look for bargains. I'm always shopping for bargains. I constantly will bring pieces into the house, place them in certain areas around my home, and return them if I don't like it. But those chairs, I found 2 of them. They might not look that comfortable, but they are so comfortable. I love the fabric. I love the design of them, and they were 99 bucks. So they fit perfectly in this living space. And I do have a lot of blue, but I tied it in with a lot of the woods, and then of course the wicker. There's my little dance montage that I just did. Brett made that table, stained it, and used a couple of different types of stain. Oh, there's Cruz. We have to have animals in our home, and we love to name them. We have Lloyd the llama that holds our spoons for our coffee, Cruz, our bulldog, and then we have Norman, which is our book and old holder, and he's like a cast iron weighted corgi. So yeah, those stools, a couple of different accents there. I've got some of the plants. The plant on that middle table between those 2 chairs, that one's fake. But I can move it if somebody wants to place a coffee there. The bowl that you see sitting on that coffee table, that's for succulents. I might put succulents back in there. I don't know. Might be a little bit too much. But Brett made that table. Then we ordered the legs from Amazon. The chairs were from HomeSense. Those stools there we got from Walmart, of all places. The rug you see there we got from Home Depot. That little table in between those 2 chairs we also got from HomeSense. Same with that that lamp. The couches we've had for 24 years. And then there's little pieces here and there. The pillows were from Urban Barn. That planter holder was from Wilson's. My dog was from Urban Barn. I love little things like that. And then all of these prints I've gotten from Twisted Goods or certain areas around the city. The sconces I got from Pier 1. And that fan I got from Home Depot. So I shop around a lot. I wait for the best deals. I love to bargain shop and return things if I don't like them, but that's my main living area in a nutshell. And it came together really nice. I just wanted to bring you through a quick tour and show you guys kind of how I go about placing or organizing or designing a certain space. If you guys want more of these, please don't forget to click that subscribe button, ring the bell so you get notifications, and I'm going to try and bring these to you more frequently. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're having an amazing week, and we'll talk to you soon.